Hi everyone, we're going to sharpen these shears I've been using to cut down some grass near an electric fence. So my grandfather's going to tell us all about this grinder that he's made himself. And he was saying this machine here.
Yes, well this machine here is out of the woolshed. I've still got one in the woolshed, but I got one, bought one, similar as, and put these pulleys on.
What's this machine? What does it do in the wool shed?
Sharpens the knives.
Yep.
There's two different types of,
Shears.
one type of shears with the top and the bottom combs. And they were for sharpening that, and that motor there is one I bought that didn't belong. It was second hand somewhere.
Yep.
Put it on the V-belt and it's been here for 50 years or so.
So he made this about 50 years ago, and this is his grinder. If he needs to sharpen anything, this is where he comes to. And you're just going to plug it in, right, Pa?
You're right to have
Yep, plug it in. So now we're just going to oil up the bolt here, so it will allow me to open and close the shears with ease, because they started seizing up on me. I was using them that much. Better, Pa?
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay, good. Beautiful. So now I'll be able to get on with my job with ease, right? Thank you, Pa, for fixing the shears. Beautiful.
It's got to be tight like this.
Yep.
Otherwise, lets the grass slip through it.
Yep. Okay. Thank you, Pa.